especially to discuss the most exciting thing ever, vacations.
Yeah, even I'm so excited. It's so nice that all of you took a break and enjoyed.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, Lalita.
Me too, very much excited. But where is this Raksha? We came to her house and she only invisible.
You mean nowhere to be seen?
Yes, ma. In short, we call it invisible.
Ray, how long will you stay in the bathroom? Should I just give the food there only? Eat there and put there.
Hi, Raksha. Hi.
Oh, guys, you already came. I didn't even notice. I'm so sorry. What do you guys want? Tea, coffee, juice?
No. It's okay, Raksha. We're fine.
Okay. Give me some time, okay? I'm just preparing the lunch.
So, guys, shall we start?
Of course. So where have you guys been to?
Duh, to the United States. You know, it was such a long vacation that I almost felt homesick after a while. Like staying abroad for one whole week, like literally, is not easy, dude.
Yeah, that was pretty long. Mine wasn't that great at all. It was so boring. I just went to Maldives this year.
That's a great place, Kushi. And you know what? I have been to France, like one of the best and amazing places I've ever been to. Like coolest, like so good.
Oh my god, that's so nice to hear, Yukta. And I had been to Italy. What about you, Likita?
I had been to Russia. Did you all know that Russia is located in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia? It has a population of about 14.45 crores and its capital is Moscow.
Oh, gee, stop. Enough. Guys, guess where I had been? London to Makda. Oi, palle.
Wait. Are you sure it wasn't Punjab?
Oh, hello. Just because Punjab is close to London doesn't mean I went there, okay? Close to Never mind. So, guys, I'll start off with my experience, okay?
Ma, this maid, she has not come from 4 days. All work I should only do. When she comes, I will nicely kick her.
Hey, Raksha, why don't you join us?
Hey, no ma. What will you guys eat? My head, duh. I will go and prepare lunch for you guys.
Okay.
Okay, so let's continue. So, first, I visited Disneyland. Ayu Rabba, you went to Disneyland and all, huh? Wow, ma. I know, right? I've always been a huge fan of that show. Does anyone remember watching it?
Yes, it was started by Walt Disney in 1928 and it was also the mascot of the company.
Thank you, Likita. But Nishita, I must tell you that Disneyland is nothing compared to Eiffel Tower, bro. Eiffel Tower is so good.
Obviously, ma'am. How it will be same? Imagine to see one small Mickey Mouse, you have to climb one big tower.
Come on, that's not what I meant. Dude, Eiffel Tower is so romantic.
These Airtel towers are there, no? Like that only it looks, no?
No, Tina, that's different. Anyway, it's really good you guys have a lot to share. Mine was so boring.
But you said you went to Maldives, right?
Oh yeah, that was such a low budget vacation, yeah. Also, we planned it very quickly, so we kept it very short and small this year. And also, my husband didn't have his holidays, so he was left with very few. And when he wasn't there, I was almost dying out of boredom. Oh gosh.
You should have.
Excuse me?
Nothing. Lalita, how was your trip?
It was a really good trip, bro. I must say, I'm really lucky that I got a chance to visit Italy. We had a few problems with booking hotels, but we somehow managed. It's a very soothing place, you know. I miss Italy. You must have seen it on my Instagram stories, I guess.
Oh, ma. Hey, cockroach rascal. Wait.
Oh my god, what happened?
That maid didn't come, no sweeping at all. Full cockroaches in the kitchen, da.
It's okay, Raksha. Calm down. It's okay.
Hey, I am fine only, da. But if I find that maid, I will nicely kick her. She will go flying and sit on the coconut tree. And I will tell her to break one coconut for me and I will drink that. But you guys don't worry. I am preparing good lunch for you, okay?
Oh my god. Well, coming back. Uh, yeah, Lalita, we saw a lot of stories, dude. Cool place, yeah?
Thanks. But how come none of you put up any stories?
I don't know about others, but I was busy shopping and my luggage weighed way too much at the airport. Like that's how much I shopped and I love shopping.
Yes, yes. France is very famous for its shopping. It also is known for its famous art museums, fashion houses, and monuments. It has a population of about 6.7 crores as per 2019 census.
Likita, you could have extended your tour in Russia, no?
Then I wouldn't be able to join this get together, no.
Exactly.
I wish there was a negative number line to rate your poor joke. Yukta, continue.
Yeah. So I was saying that I love shopping and yeah. You guys see this earring? I bought it from the accessory store in France. And oh my god, you know what? I thought France is very expensive, all of that. I was very hesitant to buy it. But when I went to the salesperson and I asked him, guess what?
How much was it?
200 euros.
What?
I know, right? That's it.
Jaime Marjava, that's it.
200 euros is equal to 17,499.88 rupees.
For the first time, you gave some valuable information.
Guys, you want some bonda?
Little warning you given, Kamma. Also, we don't want bonda. Why are you taking so much trouble?
Hey, what trouble, da? I made it yesterday only. I thought of giving it to the dogs, okay? But however, you guys have come, no? So I'm just giving it to you.
Wow, so sweet.
Hey, no, it's spicy. Anyway, you don't want it. Okay, fine.
So guys, I was talking about shopping. This earring is just a very small thing. I bought it from France and I have so many things like that and I don't even have time. Like I don't even have the time to unpack that. Like you know, I got so many dude. Like I'm so excited to unpack them soon.
But I'm sure your shopping is nothing compared to what happened to me. Really? What happened? So, I was just casually roaming around in Los Angeles and I happened to meet this amazing guy. He's the director of Titanic and Avatar. Yes, that's right.
James Cameron?
Yes, I was so shocked to see him there, and you won't believe what he said. He actually wanted to cast me in his next film.
Are you serious? Wow.
Yeah, dude. Like it was such an amazing moment. Like my eyes are actually tearing up thinking about that moment. I just want to go back. But then I told him that I'm going back to India and I'm just on a tour, you know.
Oh my god, I got scared for a minute. Also, I can't believe you got so excited just by meeting a director. I met so many celebs chilling in Maldives this year.
Really? Whom all did you see, Kushi?
Hey, it's just the usual. Just stalk some celebrities on Insta and you'll know. Also, it's the same every year. Same 5-star hotels and same celebrities everywhere. Oh god, I'm already so fed up of seeing them.
Oh, so boring means don't tell only. Anyway, London can never be boring. Playing in the snow reminded me of my childhood.
Childhood, but you were born and brought up in Punjab, no? Punjab doesn't have any snow.
Not snow, ma. My neighbors had 2 cows, huh? I used to play with the cow dung every day. That is why full nausea happened.
Oh, you mean nostalgia?
Same thing. Hi, Rabba. Is this Khushi fainted or what, Ji? Khushi? Are you alright?
I'm drowning! Save me! Save me!
What happened? Where are you drowning?
Oh, sorry, I forgot I was back in India. Traveling so much makes me feel like I'm always in the beach or the ocean.
We shouldn't have woken you up at all. Anyway, London is the best, Ji.
Yeah, nothing better than perfumes of France, bro.
Well, they're not better than the casinos at Las Vegas.
Don't even get me started with the scuba diving in Maldives though. You all should really visit the Red Square at Russia.
Honestly, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is something to die for.
Do you even know what the British Museum looks like?
Ree, I told you to bring a new cooker for me, no?
Wait, 1 minute. Where is Apurva?
Oh, well, she didn't go on a vacation.
I guess she's not invited, no?
Hello, beautiful ladies.
Oh, God.
Someone kill me right now.
Sorry, people, I'm a little late. Whitefield full traffic. Anyways, what were you guys talking about?
Oh, we were just talking about our vacations. Oh, I was telling them about my trip to America, remember?
America? Why are you talking about it now? You went there 15 years ago, no? 2 days ago, I came to your home. You were sleeping in your pajamas. Did you at least shower today?
I don't know what she's talking about.
Hey, Yukta. Finally, you wore that earring. We bought that from Commercial Street, no?
What? No? This is not from Commercial Street.
Oh, sorry. It's not from Commercial Street then. Oh, it's from Shivaji Nagar. I still remember that guy said $100. She's asking for $30, and I finally bought it for her for $80.
Definitely 80 rupees is not equal to 200 euros, right?
And guys, before I forget, there's a puja at my home tomorrow. Everyone is invited. And Kushi, before I forget, give my 15 rupees back. I have to go buy some flowers for tomorrow's puja. You've borrowed it from me in 1932. Still, you have not returned. And Tina, I'd given you my kurti for alteration. No. Did they finish it yet? You said you knew some London tailoring center or something. I have to wear it tomorrow, or else my mom is gonna kill me.
London, yes. I had been there only today. It is ready, yes.
Oh, and also Likita.
It's okay, ma Apurva. Don't say anything.
Huh. Why is everyone's face like this? Any problem? Yeah, everyone is talking about their vacations. Like, seriously, guys, y'all have been lying all this while? I mean, what's all this hype about vacations, man? It's totally alright to stay at home. Like, even I love spending time in my cozy room. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Huh, exactly. If you want to show off means, show off like Lalita. What? Hey, that only bro. Every day your laptop used to show new wallpapers with new locations. You used to take selfies and pictures and post it on your Instagram now. Everybody do that. It's easy. I think I need to use the washroom.
I'll join you. Wait, Lalita. But I mean different bathrooms. Wait.
Okay, Apurva. Come, I'll come with you to buy some flowers. Come, we'll go.
Ayo, Apurva. I'll return your 15 rupees. Come now.
And I'll give you the kurta, yes. I'm a little bored. I guess I'll go jump into the borewell.
Oh, finally, the lunch is ready. Oh my god, where are these guys? All this time I prepared the lunch all by myself, that to no maid, and now the food is